A liquid supplement that claims to flush trapped fluid, reduce bloating, and detox your body. This is Cleantra Lymphatic Drainage Drops. What does it actually work? So Cleantra markets these drops as a lymphatic support supplement that helps release retained fluid, reduce puffiness and swelling, and improve circulation and detox. Some testimonies even suggest fast visible results within a few days. Here's the reality. Your lymphatic system doesn't get clogged in a way supplements can simply flush. Real lymphatic drainage usually involves movement, massage, or medical therapy, and supplements like drops may support hydration or mild fluid balance but not directly drain lymph fluid. Some users say there's slightly less bloating or puffiness and feeling lighter after consistent use, but results are mixed and often take weeks, not days. There are also concerns. Many reviews focus on website experience, not real results. Reports of shipping delays, upsells, and refund issues, and claims like releasing trapped fluid fast are often overly simplified and misleading. So does Cleantra actually release trapped fluid? Not in the way it's advertised. At best, it may provide mild support for bloating or water retention. The bottom line, Cleantra lymphatic drops are not a true drainage solution, just a typical herbal supplement with exaggerated claims. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.